Hello Leos and welcome to your bonus love reading. So this is a bonus love reading for the sign of Leo and this is for the year 2025. So year 2025 में आपकी love life में क्या blessings और क्या changes आने वाली हैं और also keep in mind that this is a general reading. So not every message is for you and not every message will resonate to your situation. And since this is a timeless reading, सो जब भी आप ये रीडिंग देखेंगे आपसे ये रीडिंग रेजोनेट करेगी. दिस रीडिंग इज़ बेसिकली फॉर द होल ईयर 2025. ओके, so let's see what messages will show up for the sign of Leo. Let's see what messages will show up for the sign of Leo. Let's see what messages will show up for the sign of Leo. Let's see what messages will show up for the sign of Leo. So bottom of the deck we have the wedding rings. So I see you getting engaged and getting committed in the year 2025, okay, with the person obviously you love because we have passion over here. And also आपकी तरफ मैं बहुत ज़्यादा choices आते हुए देख रही हूँ. लव लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा choices आते हुए देख रही हूँ और कोई ऐसे person आप attract कर रहे हैं जिनके दिल में आपके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा passion है और similarly this attraction, this passion is vice versa. ओके, एंड आई सी कि आपकी लव लाइफ में कोई चेंज आने वाला है, कोई बिगर इवेंट आने वाला है, कोई चेंज आने वाला है. मैं बेसिकली हीलिंग आती हुई देख रही हूँ एंड ये तो वो एक पर्सन हो गए जिन्हें आप मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हैं, राइट. बट देर आर मैनी ऑप्शंस दैट आर कमिंग योर वे इन द ईयर 2025 व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर लव लाइफ. The angels are guiding you that you need to do self appreciation. You need to appreciate yourself. Maybe might be possible कि your पिछले सालों में कुछ ऐसा हुआ था कि आप खुद को इतना अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते थे, आप सेल्फ वर्थ पे और सेल्फ फोकस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते थे, शैडो वर्क पे ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देते थे. तो इस साल आपको ये गाइड किया जा रहा है कि दैट यू नीड टू do the self appreciation and shadow work, okay, and it's also time for you to heal. But I see that somebody has insane chemistry for you and you both like each other equally, and I see that this person wants to take this connection to the next level. This person wants to have a change and adaptation in this connection. Also I see आप कोई डिसीजन लेने वाले हैं in the year 2025 and I see many options are coming in, but इन options में से देख के आपको खुद चूज़ करना है क्योंकि इनमें से बहुत सारी options ऐसी होंगी that are only available for one night stand. Okay, so these could be people who are wishy-washy, hot and cold, in and out, who are just available for one night stand and they don't want to give you the commitment. So you have to use your intuition और आपको खुद से देखना है कि ऐसे कौन सी options आप choose कर सकते हैं जिसमें या कौन से अच्छे person आप choose कर सकते हैं. So I see कि because we have the wedding rings at the bottom of the deck, so I see you getting into a commitment in the year 2025. alright. So commitments offerings आपकी तरफ आ सकते हैं, ठीक है, और कोई person आपको प्रपोज कर सकते हैं, यूनियन हो सकता है, वेडिंग हो सकती है, एंड द थिंग इज दैट यू विल गेट मैरिड इन द ईयर 2025, मोस्ट ऑफ यू. ओके, सो दिस रीडिंग इज for everyone जिनके साथ भी ये रीडिंग रेजोनेट करेगी. इफ़ यू इंट्यूटिवली फील दैट दिस मैसेज इज फॉर यू, देन येस, इट्स योर रीडिंग. So let's see more. Let's see messages for the sign of Leo. Let's see messages for the sign of Leo. Let's see messages for the sign of Leo. Let's see. Show me more messages for the sign of Leo. Show me more messages for the sign of Leo. I see a past person returning. So कोई पास के पर्सन है जो राइट टाइम का वेट कर रहे हैं आपको अप्रोच करने के लिए, और दिस पर्सन नोज दैट यू ब्रिंग अ लॉट टू द टेबल. दिस पर्सन नोज दैट योर एनर्जी इज़ वेरी हाई वाइब्रेंट एनर्जी एंड यू ब्रिंग अ लॉट टू द टेबल. एंड बॉटम ऑफ द डेक वी हैव एम्प्रेस, वी हैव 4 of cups and we have the 9 of cups, and here we have the 6 of cups, we have the 3 of wands, the high priestess, the sun, the king of pentacles, and the 9 of wands. So you could be dealing with a Leo, you could be dealing with Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Pisces. Okay, Taurus की एनर्जी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है with this Empress, and also Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sag भी है. So basically all the signs are present here. Definitely I see a person returning back into your life, but this person has been waiting for the right time to approach you, and मैं देख रही हूँ कि इन person का comeback आपकी life में वापस होगा, and this person is also keeping tabs on you from afar. So this person is like they see their entire happiness with you with this sun card. ये आप अपनी happiness, अपना joy, अपना expansion आपके साथ देखते हैं. ये basically आपके साथ ज़िंदगी गुजारना चाहते हैं, and this person wants to get into a commitment with you. Okay, so this message is confirmed कि जो हमारे पास wedding rings का card आया था, तो with the King of Pentacles, this person wants to be in a long-term, stable, committed relationship with you. And I also see that in the past in person की energy wishy washy हो सकती है, थी hot and cold थी, they were in and out, but this person is coming in with some genuine love offer, because in person को recently ये realize हुआ है that you are their wish come true with the 9 of cups, and with the 6 of cups this person feels that they have a soulmate connection with you and they want to return back to your life. So I see that ये person ऐसा believe करते हैं that you are a very nurturing and very caring, very loving, very generous person. और माजी में ऐसा हुआ था कि इन पर्सन को आपने कोई ऑफ़र प्रेजेंट की थी और इन पर्सन ने वो ऑफ़र रिजेक्ट कर दी थी बाय पुटिंग देयर वॉल्स अप, बाय पुटिंग देयर गार्ड्स अप, एंड दिस पर्सन सीरियसली रिजेक्टेड योर ऑफ़र. एंड इनकी इस ऑफ़र, आपकी ऑफ़र रिजेक्ट करने की वजह से आप इस वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा डीप पेन से गुजर रहे हैं, स्ट्रेस से गुजर रहे हैं. एनीवेज, लेट्स सी फर्दर. Show me Leo's current feelings towards this person. 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 आपको, we have the 7 of cups, we have the judgment, we have the knight of cups, and we have the 6 of pentacles. Bottom of the deck we have 9 of pentacles, the devil, and the 6 of wands. So this person put you in a competition. इन पर्सन ने आपको कंपटीशन में इन्वॉल्व किया, एंड बहुत ज़्यादा नार्सिसिस्टिक बिहेवियर मैं इनका पिक कर रही हूँ. बहुत ज़्यादा इनकी एनर्जी वेरी विशी वॉशी, वेरी हॉट एंड कोल्ड, वेरी इन एंड आउट. बट आई सी दैट this person is coming in with some love offer, and this is a genuine offer. I also see that you are expecting an apology from this person, and that apology is coming in. Well, जहाँ तक आपकी फीलिंग्स और एनर्जी की बात है, तो आप इन पर्सन से इक्वल गिव एंड टेक चाहते हैं. you won't want this person to treat you as an option. रादर आप ये चाहते हैं कि ये पर्सन आपसे रिलेटेड कोई सीरियस डिसीजन लें और ये आपकी तरफ कम बैक करें, और आप इन पर्सन के साथ रेजोरेक्शन चाहते हैं. But this person was very in their own energy when they came to you in the past, and now this person is seriously thinking about bringing a genuine love offer to you with this Knight of Cups, and they are also thinking about giving you an apology. और devil है, I also see that this person is now being in a separation with you since this person wants to reconcile with you. So this person is obsessing over you. Okay, and that's why this person is thinking about giving you equal give and take, because they know that with the King of Pentacles you have a very high vibrant energy and you bring a lot to the table, and you deserve to be treated as an empress, not as a page or not as a knight. Okay, however, the Knight of Cups is the most reliable knight in the deck, and this represents slow moving energy, but this represents a solid, stable offer, grounded offer. And I also see that this person is coming in with some love offer and apology. Show me this person's current feelings towards the Leos. Show me this person's current feelings towards the Leos. Show me this person's current feelings towards the Leos. We have 10 of Pentacles, we have the Knight of Wands, we have the 2 of Pentacles, we have the Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles, power couple, divine counterparts, divine masculine, divine feminine, Bottom of the deck we have the moon, we have magician, we have the nine of swords. Why this person is having sleepless nights without you? Because in person को realize हो गया कि इनकी they were in and out, they were hot and cold, they were wishy-washy, and they were confused between two different people or two different options, and they were not giving you the equal give and take that is required by you in this connection. Okay, so ये जो person आपके साथ connection में थे, they were not fully transparent about their feelings and emotions, and but I see them, they are heavily manifesting you, they are manifesting to win you back, they are manifesting to have a long-term committed relationship with you, with the 10 of Pentacles and with the Queen of Pentacles. They know that you bring a lot to the table and you have a very high vibrant energy. But however, I see this person is bringing in an offer of love and peace, okay, because we had the Knight of Cups previously. But this person ने जो भी आपसे feelings hidden रखी हैं या emotions hidden रखे हैं, or they were not fully transparent about their feelings and emotions, I see that this person is seriously obsessing over you right now, and right now this person is having sleepless nights without you. So this person is heavily manifesting you. Show me how this person sees this whole situation. Show me how this person sees this whole situation. Show me how this person sees this whole situation. So this person is keeping tabs on you, and this person wants to take it slowly, but ये एक genuine energy के साथ आना चाहते हैं, because इन्हें पता है they are holding back right now basically, but they have emotions for you, they have feelings for you, and they want to give you a love offer of love and peace. However, after doing the proper healing and after like ये आपसे communicate करना चाहते हैं. So that's for sure that this person wants to communicate with you, because they have feelings and emotions for you, and they want to be open about their thoughts and feelings that they are having for you, but they are taking it slow. Like they are healing and then they want to come towards you. Show me the outcome of the situation. 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 So I see that both of you are very heartbroken right now, because ये person, they were on crossroads, they were not able to make a proper decision regarding you and this connection. Both of you are equally missing each other, and both of you are manifesting a union with each other. And I see that union is happening, that new beginning is, that offer of new beginning is coming in. With this person, in person को like gather करने की ज़रूरत है, courage, और ये person आपकी तरफ आना चाहते हैं. They seriously want to give you a love offer, and I also see that इन्होंने जो भी अपनी feelings, emotions आपसे hidden रखे हैं और आपसे जो बातें छुपाई हैं, ये आपको clarity देना चाहते हैं, ठीक है. And इनको ऐसा भी लगता है that either you could be from different cities, different states, different countries. You two are not from same cities or either from same countries, and आप दोनों के बीच में distance है, emotional distance भी है, ठीक है, because this person was on crossroads and they were not able to make a choice. And also I see that this person is missing you a lot right now. With the 10 of Swords, I can see that this person is having troubles while sleeping, and they are having feelings of depression and anxiety, and they are in deep pain right now. और 3 of Swords है, तो definitely ये person इस वक्त बहुत ज़्यादा pain में है. ये आपके साथ reunion करना चाहते हैं, because they know that they cutted you out from their life, and they bring lots of distance between the two of you. However, this person wants to come forward, and they want to give you a new beginning, and they want to give you an offer of peace and love. Okay, so let's take some channel messages from your person. Let's take some channel messages from your person. For some of you, ये person material things के लिए, ये अपनी job, ये career के लिए इन्होंने आपको छोड़ दिया था. So I hide behind the material things. okay, and now they are regretting over it, and now they are starting to understand the connection you two share. So definitely moon card वाली energy भी confirm होगी. I hid who really am who I really am from you, okay. So इन्होंने अपना आप, अपनी असलियत आपसे छुपाई, अपनी feelings आपसे छुपाई, and I knew exactly what I was doing. सो इन पर्सन को पता है कि ये एग्जैक्टली क्या कर रहे थे. कोई नादानी में इन्होंने ऐसा डिसीजन नहीं लिया आपको ख़ुद से दूर करने का. लेकिन जहाँ तक इनकी एनर्जी का सवाल है तो ये पर्सन पछता रहे हैं और आपसे रिकनसाइल करना चाहते हैं. सो थैंक यू सो मच लियोस, दैट्स ऑल आई हैव फॉर यू. प्लीज़ हिट लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब, एंड आई विल सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड बाय.